Are you thinking which vaccine is better, Covaxin or Covishield? And are you thinking which is more effective vaccine? Or are you thinking which vaccine should you take? Then in this video you are going to find all the answers of your questions. So without wasting any time, watch the video till the end. So welcome to another video of OBJ's Biology. In this video I am going to compare between the Covaxin and Covishield. First of all, we are really thankful to the scientists for whom we are getting such vaccines at the right time. Now let's start the comparison. First of all, we will look at the formulation. The Covaxin is formulated by Bharat Biotech of India, which is situated at Hyderabad, in collaboration with ICMR and NIV. And the Covishield vaccine is formulated by Oxford AstraZeneca. Now let's look at the manufacturers of these vaccines in India. First of all, this Covaxin is manufactured in India by Bharat Biotech of Hyderabad, and the Covishield vaccine is manufactured in India by Serum Institute of India, which is situated at Pune. Now let's discuss about the types of these vaccines. First of all, Covaxin is the inactivated vaccine. Means here we are using inactivated form of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. I have already made two separate videos on Covaxin and Covishield. If you want to know more details about Covaxin and Covishield, then you can watch the videos from my channel. Now what we were talking. In case of Covaxin, we are using the inactivated form of SARS-CoV-2 virus, and we are inserting this inactivated virus into our body, which produces antibodies against the real SARS-CoV-2 virus. As we are inserting the inactivated form of the virus, so there is no chance of infection by the virus. But the Covishield is the viral vector vaccine, in which we are using the adenovirus, and we are modifying this virus with the coat proteins of SARS-CoV-2 virus, so that our immune system will recognize that this is the coat protein of the real SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it will generate antibodies against it, so that when we will be affected by the real SARS-CoV-2 virus, the antibodies produced by the vaccine will fight against the real SARS-CoV-2 virus. Now let's come to the efficacy rate. For Covaxin, the efficacy rate is 81%. Efficacy rate means the effectiveness of the vaccine, as reported by the ongoing third phase trial. But for Covishield, the efficacy rate is less than Covaxin, which is 70.4%. But according to the global report, after taking the second dose of Covishield, the efficacy rate becomes 90%. But in case of Covaxin, as we are using the inactivated form of SARS-CoV-2 virus, the vaccine can able to fight against the new variants or the new mutants of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. But in case of Covishield, it is less effective on the new variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus. After taking the second dose of Covaxin, the efficacy rate can become 90% to 100%. And it is reported that Covaxin can reduce the rate of mortality. Now let's come to the doses of these vaccines. First of all, both vaccines are 2 doses vaccines. For Covaxin, the duration between 2 doses is 4 to 6 weeks, and for Covishield, this duration is 6 to 8 weeks. In a research, it was found that Covishield can generate more antibodies than that of Covaxin. So we can use this Covishield for the older persons or people with comorbidity, and we can use the Covaxin for younger people whose immune system is already powerful. Now let's come to the price. Both the vaccines are being inoculated free of cost at governmental health setups, but the cost of vaccines at the private hospitals varies. The DCGI of India has approved these vaccines for only restricted use in the emergency situation, but DCGI not approved it for selling it in the market. Now let's come to the side effects. As we are using the common flu causing virus or the adenovirus in case of the Covishield, there is a chance of common flu like symptoms will be generated after taking the vaccine or taking Covishield vaccine. Means you will have some sort of fever, headache, muscle ache, and you will have pain at the site of injection. But in case of Covaxin, these side effects are very less than Covishield. You will rarely have some sort of fever or headache or muscle ache, and you will have just the pain at the site of your injection. Now, if you want to take my opinion, I will suggest that if there is a chance of choosing which vaccine should you take, then I will suggest you to take the Covaxin as it is more effective. The efficacy rate of Covaxin is higher than Covishield, and the side effects are also less than that of Covishield in case of Covaxin. So I will suggest you to take Covaxin rather than Covishield. But these two vaccines are reported to be effective against the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So we should take these vaccines to fight against the COVID-19 disease. But you have to remember one thing, that after taking the first dose of Covaxin, you should not take the second dose of Covishield. Also, after taking the first dose of Covishield, you should not take the second dose as Covaxin. You have to complete 2 doses of any of these vaccines. Means if you take the first dose of Covaxin, you have to take the second dose of Covaxin, and if you take the first dose of Covishield, you have to take the second dose of Covishield, so that our immune system will protect us from the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So let's get vaccinated and let's fight against the COVID-19 disease. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.